Weather forecast said, lovely, fair weather. Bit of a breeze. It's been pounding with rain and hailstones. Yeah, it's a lot of hailstones, and I'm still going camping eventually. Very quick video this time that I'm taking because it is raging storm outside, and I'm not taking any cooking for food. I'm taking that and 2 litres of water, so I've got some water to drink, and I have my coffee in the morning for that. Nothing special. Cat training toy, radio for music, lighter, torch, etc. Bag of crap to set fire to start a fire, hammock, walking stick, which of course has a knife and a little saw built into it, my oven ready tinfoil blankie, my big new tarp, which might not be a good idea in such high winds, but I'm taking it anyway. My old tarp, it's only 3 months old, 2 months at the most actually. I'm taking that instead of a raincoat. This is a 2x2 meter-ish size. It covers everything whilst I'm walking. I look like a freaking hermit, but it keeps the wind off, it keeps the rain off. Inside this old helmet bag, I've got my crappy thin sleeping bag, my army jack, my under blanket, underquilt, if you want to call it, and a spare t-shirt. I'm not taking a lot of stuff. That's pretty much it. I'm going to chuck it to my Bergen. And of course, some paracord. I'm taking a longer piece this time. I'd rather take the extra long piece so I've got enough to keep stuff out of the way. That tarp has got, I think, 5 meters of cord tied to it in short lengths. Sock, bit of tissue paper, and that's going to be it. The only food I'm taking is I'm going to nuke a pasty so I can have that later on this evening. I've got maybe half an hour and it's meant to hammer down. This morning we had hailstones and it's blown a gale, so all I'm going to be wearing hat wise is this little thin, it is a piss thin, really piss thin balaclava. The only actual thickness to it is over the mouth, which is why I don't want any thickness. I want something because you can see right through it. It's that transparent, but it makes a difference. It'll diffuse the wind getting to my ears. I should have somewhere an earplug. But anyway, that is basically my kit for this little trip. It's still a fair bit of weight, but then, you know, it is what it is. I'd be better off taking a few thin layers rather than the army jumper jacket. But that army thing, it's 100% windproof, water resistant. It does the job and also doubles as a pretty nice pillow. So that is my kit sorted.